Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about something that I don't think a lot of people do talk about, okay? And that is our medication and what temperature it should be kept at in order for it to stay good. Because a lot of medication can actually go bad if it's too cold. A lot of medication can go bad if it's too hot. And if we are having to bug out and it's extremely hot out or it's extremely cold out, guess what? A lot of our prescription meds, even our over-the-counter medication, can go bad. So, especially with insulin. If you're insulin dependent and your insulin cannot be kept in a refrigerator, it's no good. So, I did some research. I even called Walgreens, and I was told the same thing that says right here. Every medication has its own recommended storage condition, from the room temperature to refrigerating to freezing. The majority of medications are recommended to be stored at room temperature between 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. As a common rule, medication should be stored away from heat, air, light, and moisture. So if you live down here in Florida and it's humid 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, that's moisture. So our medications can go bad very quickly, especially from June, July, August. So what are the solutions here? If we're having to bug out, you're on insulin or any medication. Can't carry an ice chest around with you. Can't keep just regular medication in a fridge because your refrigerator is at the very least 40 degrees. Can't be kept at 40 degrees unless it's insulin. So we're in a dilemma, aren't we? So I need you guys to sound off in the comments section below and tell me what your suggestion would be. Like, here's just one of my medications, okay? It's Topamax. And this medication I take as, hang on, Ridley, no. Oh no, siren, hang on. Okay, I had to pause the video for a second. Now, my Topamax is a preventative medication for migraines. I cannot be without this medication. If I am, I'm in trouble. Something else. My levothyroxine. It's for my thyroid. Can't be without that. Can't be without my heart meds. Can't be without my cholesterol meds. So, serious dilemma over here. I don't think anyone has ever really thought about this. Even over-the-counter meds have to be kept at temperatures between 59 and 77. Now, what I find strange, okay, this is another strange fact. The electric company will tell you, if you want to keep your costs down, keep your air conditioner set at 78 degrees. What are they trying to pull? If you want to keep your air at 78 degrees, and I've seen this on the TV, I've seen it on the news and stuff like that, and a lot of our elderly, they're literally, they will stick to what they see on that TV. Put the air up to 78, but they don't realize that all of their prescription medication that they're on, guess what? It's now no good. So if the electric companies are telling us right now if you want to keep your bill down at a rate that you can afford it, keep your air at 78. But yet, if you have meds, and your meds have to stay between 59 to 77 degrees, that's a problem. So, like in my house, thermostat 72, always. I have to be a polar bear. I'm a penguin. Sorry, not sorry. So seriously, there has to be a solution. I have been trying to think of solutions, with the exception of, getting like a portable ice chest. I'm going to pay homage here to Prepper Princess because she has a portable ice chest that only uses, I believe it's 50 watts. She put an Amazon link in one of her videos that I checked it out. It was for the ice chest, I believe it was only like $130 or something like that. And I'm seriously thinking about getting one of those, because I think that would be really awesome to have, especially, if the electricity goes out due to natural disaster and things like that. But what are we going to do about prescription medications that can't be kept in a refrigerator or on ice or anything like that? I can't think of anything. I don't have a root cellar. I live in Florida. Sinkholes. Can't dig. So I need a solution here. So let's put our heads together. Let's think. What would we do with all of our prescriptions in a grid down situation where our meds, our prescription meds, even our over-the-counter medications, have to be kept at 59 to 77 degrees. Otherwise, they're no longer useful. Food for thought, right? Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.